Copy where I've already been. Days keep coming, one out, one in, they keep coming. I don't know what I wish I had, but it's too late now for thinking things like that. I got too much to do. We've got too much to do, too much to do. Opening up and letting the day for your cup and say hello. How you been? Looking in whatever the day brings. It's comforting how some things never change, never change, never change. Do they? Wouldn't call this place happy yet, but I've been around the block and just came back again. Could be worse, so make it work. No place is perfect. Hey, I'm no good at the outside world because I feel too much and kind of normally hurts. I like the way most of the days look exactly the same. Opening up every day's eyes. Open cups served with hello. How you been? Welcoming in whatever the day brings. Never the same thing. Center. Never change, never change, never change, never change.